This is a summer vibe, summer vibe. Hello! Today I am hopping on the trend of bleach tie-dye and I'm very excited and apparently British. I have seen everyone doing this on TikTok and YouTube, and Jenna and Julian did it last week, so you know that means that I can totally do it if they can do it. I love tie-dye. I have so many tie-dye things in my closet, and I've never done, other than like homecoming shirts, I've never done tie-dye because I thought you could only do them with colors, and to me, colors are a problem because, okay, first of all, there's too many options, too many outcomes, a lot of science behind colors and blending and what they'll turn into and what they're on, and there's just too much going on, too much for this thing. And when I came to the realization and the TikTok videos that you can tie-dye with bleach, I was like, hey, I can do that. It's one thing, one bottle of crap, do it once, don't gotta worry about colors, just do it. So I'm like, yeah, my brain can handle that, hopefully. I have gathered, well, Phoebe and I have gathered some things, kind of a lot for my first time, but you know, why not? So I have 2 t-shirts, pair of leggings, shorts, oh, good Phoebe, 3 tank tops, a romper, and a sweatshirt, and all of these are plain, right Phoebe? All these are plain except for this one. I love this t-shirt, table for 2, oh, so cool, so cool, so cool, little ping pong. But this, it's just like plain, and I feel like it would be like mega summer vibes if this was tie-dye. So in this pair of leggings, I have, obviously every girl has like 30 pairs of leggings, so I just sacrificed one, and this one already has some schmutz on it, so I can deal with it if it doesn't work out. So whew, I'm excited. So here I have all the stuff I need: rubber bands, bottles, Tupperware, bleach. Okay, I saw a girl do this on TikTok where she poked holes in a water bottle, and hers turned out really good. So I don't know if it was because of the application, but we are gonna try that. Right, Phoebe? We're so excited. Yes, we love tie-dye. Okay, so I did get a couple bins. I've seen a lot of people do that, so they can put it outside, because I would do it in my bathtub. A lot of people have been doing it either in their bathtubs or bins outside. I live in an apartment, and them fumes can fill up this space real quick, and I'm not trying to do that right now. So I'm gonna stick them outside. It's real warm, they'll do fine. And also, this is still the funniest warning sticker I've ever seen. I love this. Don't mind my laundry behind me, okay? I'm folding and doing laundry today and making more of it because I will have to wash these after. The rubber banding is the only thing that makes me a little nervous, because like the options, too many options make me scared and confused, and I am very indecisive. But because I've been seeing, I did a little bit of TikTok research. What? 2020, that's the year where the phrase TikTok research was born. Wow, what a time. So during my TikTok research, a lot of people were, I mean, these guys kind of looked like pros, so they knew what they were doing, and they were like, okay, so you want to do it with a fork and get those clean lines, and then you don't want to do this. But then I see other people doing it and it looks fine. And like I said, I got my ultimate inspiration obviously from Jenna and Julian, and literally Julian just went like this with one of his shirts and it came out looking bomb. So I'm just gonna do whatever, I guess. I'm gonna swirl this one, okay? Not gonna use a fork. See this, oh, okay. No, I'm just gonna do it, it's okay. There's trim on the sleeves and the collar, and I don't want that. And I don't know how to achieve that. Okay, there, I'll just keep it out of this area. Like this. So all of these white pieces will not get bleached. Okay, on to the leggings. This is that schmutz I was telling you about. So, you know, these ones are already blah, so I don't really care. Okay, the shorts. What? I definitely have not seen anyone do shorts. Okay, this kind of looks like crap. Okay, that's not gonna work. I didn't do my TikTok research for the shorts. Nothing has prepared me for the shorts. Tank top number 2. This one, I'm gonna do a full-on Julian and just go like this. Just ball it, man. Just ball it. There is a, oh, okay. There was a spider in my succulent. If he doesn't go near me, then we're okay.
Perfect.
Okay, so this is what things are starting out. The leggings look really cool, and oh my gosh, this table for 2 thing is turning exactly what I want it to be, a summer vibe. BLEACH. Oh, these are my plants, by the way, and this is my favorite. He is very soft and beautiful. He's very beautiful. So yeah, Phoebe and I are just gonna watch these babies and see, because I've had conflicting advice from my TikTok research. I'm British again, sorry about that. It just kind of comes out. Some people said wait at least 24 hours, and some people, like Jenna, she's my main focus. She said like, what did she say, like 3 to 5 hours? So, you know, I don't really know. I think I'm just gonna check on it, like you're baking cookies and you just wanna, you know, cause you know, you just look and see if cookies are done, you know? You don't have a specific time and you just take them out. So, okay, I look pretty disheveled right now. Actually, pretty much how I looked before, but just like, you know, my bun is kind of down. I've been cleaning like a crazy person during these hours, and I think they're done. I mean, they haven't changed colors for like a few hours. I think it's actually been 5 hours, 5 hours and 15 minutes-ish. So, I mean, that's like a long time, and they haven't changed colors for a while, so I think they're done cooking. So this is what they be looking like, and I think they look really good, except for literally nothing happened with that gray tank top. Maybe it's because it was such a light color to begin with. I don't know, but can someone please tell me? I am just gonna leave you guys in suspense, and I'm going to wash these in my tub with Phoebe, but keeping her away because bleach. And then I'm just gonna throw them in the washer, and the next time you'll see these, they'll be washed and dried and ready to wear. So it's the next day because it got a little late and I got a little sleepy because I am no longer 18 years old and I cannot stay up very late anymore. Okay, I have my pile of clothes next to me, right out the dryer, and it still smells like bleach, but it's kind of like if you're in the locker room of like a YMCA, so it's not like full on like you're in chlorine at the pool, but you're like, it's like just the essence is in the room. Okay, I'm gonna start off with this because literally nothing happened and all I did was ruin this shirt. Okay? Yeah. So this, so far, just by looking at the pile, this is the only bad thing. Oh my gosh, this is the front. Oh my god, in the back got like nothing, which is a little weird. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love these so much. It is like evenly spaced out everywhere, front and back. Oh my gosh, can you see the smush still? Look, the little schmutz that was on these pants blends in. Okay, I have enhanced and adapted the leggings, and now they're my favorite pair. They went from schmutched to my favorite pair. How about that? Oh my gosh, these turned out cute actually. Oh my gosh, like there's some like bald spots, but you can like tell like what the hell they're supposed to be, and it just gives it like just like a cutesy little like summer. Love it. Oh, okay, so it did. Oh, the back is, oh my gosh, this is the back of it. That is so cool. My butt is gonna look so good. This is the front, by the way. The bottoms look so good, and there's not a lot right here, but that's okay. Love it. I love this so much. I love this so much. Oh my, this one is a straight up success. Dare I say it? A freaking, oh my god, this is more than a success. It looks like I bought this shirt that already looks like this. What? What? I freaking love it. It's time for the table for two. Dare I say I have done it again. Dare I say it? Dare I say, oh, this is a summer vibe, summer vibe. It just looks like I bought it like this. Like what? And it did work. They're like the parting off the collar. I got a little bit of bleach on the collar, but you can barely see it. And there's none that I can see on the arms. I just freaking can't. I love it. Black tank top. Let's see what you got. Oh my gosh. This turned a boring black tank top that I never used because there's nothing really special about it to a summer vibe. Okay, last one. Oh my god. It went from like kind of a boring fall tank top that I would only wear in the fall, and now it turned into a spring, a summer, and a fall vibe. Oh my god. Okay, you know I don't succeed very much when I get this excited about something like this. I'm just so happy. If you have been seeing all these TikTok videos like me, just freaking do it. It's easy. Don't burn your fingers off, and you're just freaking do it. Like, I had zero technique. I screwed up a lot of things, and then it turned out good. Oh my god, I want to do more things. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. That was fun. That was worth it. I'm gonna do it more. Freaking summer vibes without having to get a whole new wardrobe. Do this. If you have any inkling of wanting to do it, do it. You will not be disappointed, unless, I don't know what is up with this shirt. That is not a vibe. But yes, seriously, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Do it if you want to do it. That's it, guys. Let me know how you liked it. Am I overreacting? I don't know. I'm just really excited. I feel like I have a new clothes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.